In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase or reduce warmth on a photo on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then just search for a photo you want to edit. Then tap on it to open it up, and then to continue, tap at Edit. That will turn on that edit mode, and that's where we need to search for a tool which calls warmth. That's how we can make our photo warmer. And in the same way, if we go down below 0, we can easily make our picture colder. Once you are happy with the result and you want to save your picture, just tap at Done. Don't be afraid of saving your pictures, because in any time later in the future you are able to revert it back to original or continue editing your picture by adding new effects and filters. To do that, tap at Edit again, and then you can continue editing that picture, or if you would like to revert it back to original, just tap right here at Revert and then revert to original. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.